Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I grill this fish with my air fryer. If you're new here, you are welcome. Thank you for always stopping by to watch all my videos. I am so grateful. I will not take it for granted. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first ingredient I will be using today is my fish seasoning. If you don't have all this seasoning I'll be using for today's recipe, there's no problem. You can still go ahead to fry your fish. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of this seasoning. And next I'll be using my hot mixed pepper. I'll be using 1 teaspoon as well. And then I'll also be using paprika pepper. I'll be using 1 teaspoon as well for this. Now I'll go ahead to add other seasonings such as white pepper, black pepper. I will also add garlic powder, ginger powder, and now I'll be adding curry powder. And finally I'll go ahead to add my olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And then I'll go further to mix everything together until I have this liquid paste. Next I will go ahead to dry the water from the fish with my kitchen paper, and then I will go ahead to mark some section on the fish, and then I will scoop out of the mixed seasoning into the fish, and then use my hand to massage everything thoroughly until all the body of the fish is well coated with it. If you know you cannot use your hand, you can use hand gloves as well. And we also turn the other side and do likewise. And now I will also be seasoning other fish I have. I'll still go ahead to scoop some of the seasoning into this fish and then use my hand to massage everything and then set aside. Now I will be using my air fryer. I will place my parchment paper into it and then add all the fish into the air fryer, and then I will air fry this for 180 degrees for 25 minutes. If you don't have air fryer, you can also use your oven as well. After 25 minutes, I went ahead to open up the air fryer and then flip the other side and air fry it for another 20 to 25 minutes as well. And after that, our fish is ready. And here you have it. You can use this to eat garri and sugar. I went ahead to pair mine with some spaghetti. You can also use it to cook stew, soup, or whatever you want to use it for. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.